I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do this. Hey guys, it's me, #1 Crossing fan. You should say that again. Look what I just copped from Walmart. $77046. Julian's birthday party. One of the villagers who has an interesting house interior. Look at that. It's got a Nintendo. Oh. It got a Nintendo seal. Wait a minute. Switch out from 30 frames per second to 60 because this is so much better. 170 pieces. Let's build. Oh, good God, what is this? Okay. Now I got 4 of my stud removers in case if I mess up on something. What incarnation is this? Time lapse. Okay, so now we're done with that time lapse. Look at this radio. This vent piece is shiny as hell. Might as well fill that up with beer. Lol. And now the birthday boy can be here, and I'm keeping this. Oh shit! And then we have the guest. We got Sam and Maple. Thanks to the other Lego Animal Crossing set I got. I'm keeping this. No. Now, with all these spare pieces, I'm gonna go plant some more flowers, cause Firefly. Oh. Yes, sir. A fire flower. I totally did not just start that fire. Get to the cart, even though it's damaged. Run. Seriously, what is Lego? Why is Lego using these? Focus. There we go. Why is Lego using these pieces? Like, oh god, they look like pieces of shit. Come to think of it. Uh-oh. Also, I think my set is kind of screwed up a little because it's a bit too long, this piece right here. I have to... 5 out of 10, this thing. I got the skateboard. It's such a large ass gift. I wonder what's inside. Apparently, bells look like this in Lego. And is that a microphone? You want a rap battle like FNF? And oh god, I never heard this game in a long time. I'm gonna rearrange everything. And that radio got a freaking flower on it. That is seriously a microphone. Go put that in the large ass gift. Technic pen. Cherry. A star. Insert Nintendo Mario Party reference. You got a star! Alright, enough fucking around. Might as well put that extra piece of somewhere, I guess, or not. Make something. And oh my god, that's a lot of pieces. That's a lot of spare pieces. Might as well try to build something. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna do this shit off camera. Like and subscribe to #1 Crossy fan.